Have you ever wondered why you upload a video, then within some minutes or some seconds it will get views, then after that particular views it will vanish, it will draw a flat line, you won't get views again, everything will just vanish. Now in today's video I'm going to share with you few tips why your video dies immediately after 24 hours of your upload and how you are going to fix it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. New here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, so let's dive in. Number one reason why your video dies immediately after uploading is deleting a video from your channel. See, I know is you can delete a video from your channel if you feel that the video is not getting the views that you need, then you will delete it and re-optimize that your video. Now, deleting your video permanently is not allowed on YouTube. You don't have every right to delete any video, okay? Because you don't know the video that is going to blow up your channel. Do you understand? And mind you, if your video didn't perform very well today, it might perform very well. It might perform better tomorrow. So don't delete any video from your channel. Even if the video is not performing very well, leave it there. The only thing you need to do is for you to do the necessary things that you need to do immediately you upload your video, okay? Which I have a video here about things that you have to do immediately after you upload your video. Check this video here. Now, number two, to die immediately after 24 hours is low engagement. If people are not engaging in your video, YouTube is not going to recommend your video. They will stop recommending your video. Do you understand? Now, how you are going to fix it is for you to encourage your viewers to comment, like, and share. Do you understand? Then, if you can't encourage them to comment, like, and share, you can still ask them some questions relating to what you are teaching them in that your video, okay? So by doing this, you are encouraging engagement in your video. People will be able to comment, people will be able to also share your videos, okay? So this is number two tips why your video dies immediately after 24 hours. Now number three is not creating a playlist in your channel. Once you create a playlist in your channel, it will drag your new viewers to your older videos. Do you understand? Once you start uploading a video on your channel, there are some people that haven't subscribed to your channel. Immediately they subscribe through that your playlist that you create on your channel, they'll be able to run it for you, okay? They'll be able to be watching your previous video, and you know that if you create a playlist and they engage and start watching your previous videos, you also get more engagement, more subscribers. That means if they love your video, you get more subscribers and also increase the chances of your watch hour, okay? So creating a playlist is very important. And please, if you are creating your playlist, make sure you optimize your playlist, you create it accordingly, okay? Do you understand? For example, now if you're into cooking niche, for example, now you have a playlist for your Nigerian food recipes, your Ghana food recipes, your all these what they call India food recipes. For example, now you have to create a playlist like this, okay? If you create a playlist, now you are going to group those your videos according to the recipes of a particular country. For example, now if I come to your channel, if I want to watch your playlist about Ghana food recipes, I will go straight to your playlist about Ghana food recipes and check the recipes that Ghana people normally use to cook their food, okay? So that is why it's very important to create your playlist. And immediately I start watching those content about those recipes about Ghana people, do you know now you have the chances of acquiring more watch hours, because if I finish watching this particular recipe, I would love to go and check the second recipes again, okay? So by doing this, you acquire more watch hours on your channel. So that is that is why you need to create your playlist. Not only playlist, also your cards. Do you understand? Cards is those links that that you normally see at the top of your video. Okay, they are the video cards. So as I'm watching, as your audience are watching a particular video on your channel, they will click at that cards if they love the type of video that you create. That is, if they love the title of that your video, if they want to know what that particular video is all about, they will click on that your video. They will click on that video ad to know what to create. Okay, so that is why it's very important to create your playlist, your cards, and also your end screen. Your end screen is the video that pop up immediately after. So it's very important to create your end screen. End screen is those videos. They might sometimes you add your playlist on your end screen. Sometimes you add a video on your playlist. They are the video that pop up immediately finish playing. Okay, at the end of your video you will see a playlist. Though there can be two, there can be three. You can also put your playlist on your end screen. So immediately your audience finish watching your video, they will go straight and click to that playlist if they love the video, or if the video is related to what they want to see. Okay, so it's very important to create your playlist, because once you have your playlist, you'll be able to order your other videos. Your new audience will be able to click on them. Okay, another reason why your video dies immediately after 24 hours is because of you are not copying your competitors. If you create a channel, there must be a set of people that you look up to. Do you understand? So once you want to create your content, go straight to those channels and check what they are doing. Check their viral videos, copy what they are doing and recreate it in your channel. Don't copy their video, don't upload people's video. Just when you go there, search the type of content that they create that goes viral. Do you understand? Then you recreate that type of video in your channel. Thereby their audience again will also love to watch your videos, because your audience is their audience. So if you don't want your video to draw a flat line, if you don't want your video to die after 24 hours, create what your competitors are creating. Avoid your views to die after 24 hours is creating what your audience need. Do you understand? Now, for example, now if your audience are about mukbang, you have to create videos relating to that topic that they want. Do you understand? If your viewers love watching about your mukbang, you don't have every right to go and create how to create a YouTube channel or how to get 1,000 subscribers, because what, they are not going to watch it. They are not your audience. You keep on having flatline. Your videos will keep on dying after 24 hours. You will not even have views. So the best thing is to create what your audience need. Then if you want to know what your audience needs, go to your YouTube search bar and search for a particular topic. Thereby you see what people are searching on your YouTube relating to your niche. Then you recreate that type of video. Now it will help the algorithm to know the type of audience you have and know the type of people they will push your videos to. Now another thing again that can lead to your flatline in your channel is misleading title and thumbnail. There is one video that I watched on YouTube now. I watched on YouTube a few days ago. The title and her thumbnail are totally different from that video. The thumbnail and the title are totally different. Even the description, when I go through the description, everything was totally different from what she uploaded on her video. In that her video, her thumbnail, her title, her description, everything is all about breastfeeding in that her video. So when I click on the video, because I saw the people were rushing to the video, so I decided to check what people are watching here. Because of the title and the thumbnail and the description, people were rushing there to watch. Did you know that in that video she just go and pick people's comedy video, then compile it together and put the thumbnail about breastfeeding, title, description, these three things are about breastfeeding, but in that particular video it is totally different. So I just went down to the comment section and noticed that people were complaining. Do you know that this type of video, people will not be able to engage? People will not engage on the video, because what attracts them to that their video is about uh, breastfeeding tutorial, but what they are seeing there is totally different from thumbnail, description, and their title. So misleading title and description and thumbnail as well can lead to your views to die after 24 hours, because what you should not engage very well in this particular video, despite that she has millions of views on her channel on that particular video, but people are not going to engage very well, because what she's delivering to her audience in that video is not what she put on her thumbnail, her title, and her description. So avoid misleading title and thumbnail. It's not good for your channel. Okay, your views die after 24 hours and how you are going to fix them. The algorithm is not against you, just that you have to be smart and play along with the algorithm. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you all. Bye bye.